Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to have another go at making fried green tomatoes. Tomatoes. So yeah, a few days ago I posted a mini video of me, my initial attempt at making fried green tomatoes, and all I did was cut one of these open and got scared basically, because that didn't look to me like a thing you'd want to eat. Anyway, I had a lot of comments on that video from people saying, no, it's perfect, there's nothing wrong with it. Just a quickie, fried green tomatoes. So, I thought that would be about the same size as this one, but it isn't. Anyway, not to worry. So apparently these are heirloom tomatoes, which are highly valued, and and they're probably, well, not exactly the right thing to use for this, but, well, it's what I've got. They're too convoluted. Normally you would want spherical ones. It's almost a waste of time, 2 little slices, and that one's way too thin on that side. But tum-ti-tum. I'll just sprinkle them with a bit of salt and apparently a bit of sugar. And we'll let those sit for 15 to 30 minutes while I get on with the other things. So we need to set up a little production line for our breading, crumbing. So that's just a bit of plain flour, all-purpose flour. And this is beaten egg with a bit of buttermilk. And a bit of hot sauce. And this is panko breadcrumbs, seasoned with a bit of salt and some ground black pepper. And this is maybe a bit unconventional. I've seen various coatings, but mostly the most common one seems to be cornmeal, which we just can't get here in the UK. And alternatives I've seen suggested include polenta and grits and panko breadcrumbs. So these are easy to get. So let's coat the tomatoes. So a bit of flour first of all, and then the egg mix, and then the crumb coating. You want to kind of press this on so it sticks. Now before I cook them, I'm just going to make a quick remoulade sauce. So mayonnaise, look at me, shop bought mayonnaise. Getting lazy in my old age. A little bit of tomato puree. Some garlic granules and I forgot, I put some little grains of rice in there to stop it from drying out as it normally does, and I forgot, so they're now in there. There'll be a slight intermission while I get rid of them. And some onion granules. This is brand new, there's no rice grains in there. And a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just mix that all together. You can use other types of sauces, sort of ranch dressing based or Thousand Island or whatever you like. Little taste. Well, that's nice. Right, let's fry these green tomatoes. Right, now we'll add some oil to a pan. This is just sunflower oil. I don't think it matters much what kind you use. And we want to heat that to 180 Celsius. Okay, so let's pop our tomatoes in. Just give them a few minutes each side till they're golden brown. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, I think we'll be done. I'll leave that big one in a bit longer because it's so thick. Okay, taste test time with Mrs. KeefCooks. Get the picture.
Okay.
Right. Fried green tomatoes.
Oh wow. I've been gardening this morning. Much neglected bushes to be cut down. Hence the right then.
Well, crunchy coating. Well, it doesn't taste like tomato, but
It looks like cucumber. Doesn't taste like
fried green cucumber. Fried green cucumber.
Oh, I like this. Oh yeah. I thought they would be, I don't know.
Horrible.
No. I like tomatoes. No, I thought they would be soft and crispy, but it's the outside that's crispy. This is really nice. You haven't tried these, do you?
I didn't even know that. I thought they were what it says on the tin, just fried green tomatoes, which is possibly the least appealing thing in the world. But this is fab. Ooh.
Well, with tomatoes, you know you've got to be a bit careful because if you don't get them right, they can be poisonous, can't they? No, but that's what I think we probably thought when we saw them green. It's like, oh, I better not have these just in case they kill us. So whoever said they're supposed to look like that, thank you, because otherwise we'd have missed this.
It's been nice knowing you.
Really good. So what's this? What's the
It's a big one. Oh, it's panko breadcrumbs and some Frank's hot sauce and buttermilk and yeah. Stuff. Anyway, okay, fried green tomatoes at Keefy's Whistle Stop Cafe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.